We're looking at this longboard, which can also convert into a kayak. They have the back seat that you hook into the spots here and there. I think that's really cool. And the paddle converts as well. I have it for the longboard setting right now. It also came with a pump, which I really enjoyed. Just coming up here to the front. This is the inflate thing here. And just to take this off to show you I'm safe. It's just a little safety thing. Let me just pull that up here. 1 second here. My fingers are a little wet. There you go. I pumped that up with a hand pump. It took about 10, maybe 15 minutes of continuous pumping. I think that's great. The durability of this is really awesome. And coming up to here, it's almost like a felt pad, but it's rubberized and waterproof. I weigh 185 pounds, and you can see I'm floating on this. It's like really cool. You know, it's not even sinking. So if you're wondering, how much these things can hold and stuff, this can hold quite a bit. I'm very impressed with this. It comes with a leash as well, and a carrying bag. All that stuff is really cool, really nice. Like I said, I weigh a lot, and this is no problem on this at all. So yeah, I really appreciate knowing that, hey, this is gonna hold me out there, especially once I get out in the lake. I'm a good swimmer, but this is a hard rubberized shell here, put together really well. I love the valve thing, and it has on the pump too, the pressure gauge, so you don't go over the 22-pound PSI. So the handles here are really cool as well. You can lay on this and row. This just makes a great thing at the lake where we're going to be heading to, and we're all going to just take turns and ride this thing out there.
Well, hello